it was quite an experience. I met Dr. Rawsons about, I would say 6-7 weeks ago by accident. I told him that I have a low back problem, and he makes some suggestions that I could come and see him. After this is my third visit, and it has tremendous improved my low back. And I would recommend to some of the people that have low back like I do, been carrying this pain in the last 15 years, slowly able to do a lot of things that I couldn't do before. Well, give it a shot. He got a very, very professional office that you would be very, very comfortable with.
Fantastic. Did you learn some things about your spine or your condition maybe that you weren't aware of before?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. His report that he did on my lower back was amazing. I can see how the spine stacked on top of each other, and some of the stuff that I never knew before. It's quite an education as well too. That's one thing that I thought is a very plus of visiting him, is that other chiropractors would not provide that kind of information. I know it's seeing is believing, and getting the service is probably better than my testimony. Come and see him, give him a try.